Good Tuesday morning. We're here in Coronado National Forest. We were sitting in the van this morning and Elsie came by. She is using a little concealment right now. She's out in front of the van and she's a little leery of coming by. She wants to check us out, kind of stay behind some cover there, some concealment rather. Excuse me. She probably feels like she's hiding back there behind that brush, but we see her. Anyways, yeah, she has been standing there for a few minutes, just, kind of checking us out before she decides to go by us. Well, she's still hiding, or she feels like she's hiding probably behind the shrubs there, behind the bush, peeking around, looking at us. But I think she's doing good, because that's the way she'll live longer. Good girl, Elsie. Always be aware of your surroundings. Stay alert. And she's nosing on. But wait. Before I step out into the opening, I better watch him a little bit longer. Yeah. This little branch will hide me. Oh, Elsie, it's okay. One last look before she steps out into the opening. I guess it's okay, huh? Yeah. Okay, Elsie. See you later, girl. We later caught up with Elsie, and I really felt bad. She had all these thorns and stickers all around her face and chest. I would have really liked to pull them out for her. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye now.